Hello everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a very common Android Studio error. Cause, zip end header not found. Now, this error usually happens when Gradle files are corrupted or not downloaded properly, and it can completely stop your project from building, which is really frustrating, especially for beginners. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it, step by step. So make sure you watch till the end, because this method will fix it permanently. Let's get started. First, open Android Studio. Once it opens, click on the plus icon to create a new project. Select Empty Views Activity, then click Next. Now enter your project details like project name, package name, save location, language, and minimum SDK. Then click Finish. Now Android Studio will start building your project environment. And as you can see, the error appears. Cause, zip end header not found. Alright, let's fix it. On the left side, go to the Project panel, scroll down, and expand Gradle. Inside Gradle, expand the wrapper folder. You will see two files. Double-click on gradle-wrapper.property. When it opens, copy the distribution URL. Now minimize Android Studio and open your browser. Paste the URL into the search bar, then remove the / after HTTPS and press Enter. This will start downloading the correct Gradle file. Now just wait for the download to finish. Once it's done, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. You will see the Gradle file there. Move it to your desktop so it's easier to access. Right-click on it and select Extract All, then click Extract. Now open the extracted folder. Next, open another File Explorer window. Go to Local Disk C, then Users, then your username. Open the .gradle folder, then Wrapper, then Dists. Now open the folder for your Gradle version. Inside, open the folder with the unreadable name. Here, you will see the existing Gradle folder. Delete it. Now go back to the extracted Gradle folder, copy it, and paste it into this location. After that, close everything. Now go back to Android Studio and create a new project again. And this time, as you can see, it is building successfully without any error. Give it a few seconds to finish building. And now your project is successfully created. If you still see the error, don't worry. Here is an alternative method. Go to File, then Settings. In the search bar, type Gradle and open it. Change the option from Gradle Wrapper to Local Installation. Then click the folder icon. Go to your desktop and select the extracted Gradle folder. Click Apply, then OK. Now click Sync Project, and it should work perfectly. So basically, what we did here, we fixed the error by downloading the correct Gradle version and replacing the corrupted files inside the system. And this method works for most Gradle-related errors in Android Studio. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.